Good morning, church. Good morning, CAC. Today is October 29, 2023, and we are celebrating our October's culmination month of admissions culmination. And now we are going to interview some of our congregation kung unsa ilahang nakatanang for this month at unsa ilahang gisuot. Ay kuya, mayong buntag.
Mayong buntag sa tanan, especially sa celebration karon sa Missions Month, culmination sa Missions Month sa Consolidated Alliance Church.
Unsa man imong outfit karon kuya? What from what country? What inspires you?
We're representing United States of America. Hindi ka ng cowboy. Ay, team, no? Thank you.
From today's month of sermon kuya, unsay pinaka na-struck sa imuha? Karon nga lain ang Diwali, unsay message nga ni-struck jud sa imuha?
Ang na-struck sa akong for this month, ang na-struck with yung buwana is regarding that we have to nagitay mission even though wala tayo padala sa Ginoo and others. As individual na Christians, we are gisugutan na to spread the words of God in a way na natong naibawan how we use to kuha na pag-deliver.
Sige, thank you kuya. Ito na po sa next. And now here we are to interview another of our CAC member. Tato CAC Multimedia. Good morning kuya.
Morning!
Parang, kamusta mo ka kuya?
Okay na kayo. Blessed kayo. Kaya nakadungog sa pulong sa Ginoo.
Blessed to bless no man ato ang team sa karon nga tuwan. Out of sa lain-lain nga kingdom principles kuya nga atong nadunggan lain man jud yan every Sunday na. Lain sa dang niwali. Unsa man ang pinaka meaningful para nimo sa ato?
Ang pinaka-meaningful gid para nako is sa katong related sa merciful.
Ano man kayo unsa may na testimony nimo ana?
Di sa akong testimony na kay before tong merciful napabiyat tay mga other like righteousness. Nga kung if wala ka nakailaon sa righteousness or wala ka nagsubay sa path sa righteousness, lisod na nimo ma-achieve ang kanang pagka-merciful.
Ano? Sakto jud kuya na. Kuya, today is our culmination month. Unsa may naka-inspire sa imong outfit and kuya from what country or the Philippines?
Sa akong outfit kay generic naman siya. Basta kay formal lang pero as a kanang representation lang ang baby lang kay naka Chinese yan attire.
Saan yung baby kuya? Ay, nasa ubos. Pakita unta natin yung baby. Sige kuya, salamat. And God bless you. Have our resident pastor to interview all about sa ato ang Missions Month. Pastor, at tagon si Pastor Armel. Pastor, mayong buntag.
Good morning.
Pastor, today nga imuhang sermon, Pastor, is ninod kayo all about the persecution and nakita jud namo ang millions, even thousands of Christians yun ang ma-persecute. And unsa man imuhang masulti ana, Pastor, sa mga naminaw ron, maybe na mga Christians ron nga persecuted sa ilang own country, sa ilang own place. Unsa man imong encouragement nga mahatag sa ilaha?
We know doing mission is very hard, and I believe that the grace of God and the power of God sustain you all. To all our missionaries, we would like to let you know that we're praying for you, and we are lifting up always all of you in our prayers. And we are also giving to the national office so that you will be supported in such a way. I know it's just a small amount, but I believe that this will go a long way, knowing that every peso or penny will be for you guys. So just to let you know that we always support you. That's why we're doing the mission culmination today. Just to remember that you matter. Okay, you matter, and whatever you're going through right now, God will never leave you. God will never forsake you, and we're always praying for you.
Alright, thank you, Pastor, and see you sa kaon-kaon later. And now, here we are to our little salo-salo para sa atong culminations month. And now let's interview another again atong pangitawon si Pastor Pao sa crowd. Pastor Pao! Nakakaon na ka?
Mana.
Lami ra lami.
Ako nakaon in town kaya nahurot na gyud ang puto.
Asa may pinakalami sa imong nakaon dira?
Kapayas.
Okay. Pastor Pao, unsa man imong outfit karon?
Inspired by One Piece.
Kinsa man ang One Piece character?
Not totally kay Zoro. So, mara ni Kanjoro. Doro Kenshin. Doro Kenshin yung outfit na ko karon.
Okay. Pastor, so nami pangutana. Ikaw man ang first message no ani nakapaminaw sa kasatanan nga mga messages. Para nimo kay unsa may pinaka significant or pinaka dapat ma-adapt nga attitude sa usa ka Christian?
Being a peacemaker.
Okay, nga nang peacemaker man, Pastor.
So that we can kanang makakonect sa tao. And we are not troublemakers. Kundi because we are anak ta sa Ginoo, so di ka magkuan kanang pinadito ba para we set in an example sa to ang katawhan para dili pod ingon mga alanganin mo duo lang usa ka tawo sa imuha kung usa ka troublemaker kung dili usa ka nga peacemaker. So maora man guro to ako.
Sige, Pastor, peace. Peace out. Today's month is all about the missions, where we focuses on the kingdom principles. Blessed to bless the different beatitudes. Week 1, poor in spirit. Week 2, being meek. Week 3, being merciful. Week 4, being a peacemaker. And today, week 5 is all about the persecuted, where we learn all about the missions and the different missionaries. And we are inviting you to visit us every Sunday on our church service. That's from 8 a.m. and to 10 a.m. Let us worship the Lord with us, the CAC Church. We also have the different fellowships, the different events from the different auxiliaries, kids, youth, men, and women. Please visit our page at Consolation Alliance Church to know more. That will be all, and God bless you.